Go ahead.
Okay, hello. I'm Ethan, and today we're doing part 2. If you see the other video, you can check that one out first, and you're going to see what we did with Brad and all.
Where are we at, buddy?
We're at
Johhny Carinos.
Johhny Carinos, yeah. Johhny Carinos, and we're going to do on the nachos.
I got Italian nachos.
And
Ethan got chicken Alfredo. My dad got eggplant and spaghetti. And he had the salad already earlier.
Yeah, he devoured it.
All right, buddy. Let's see what we got. Try it.
Okay. What? Okay, come on. You're good. There we go. It's good.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't get to get a noodle, but I'm gonna try to.
Need a fork?
I think so.
Who's your fork? Did you do?
No, I didn't do it.
Right there.
Oh, there.
There he is, sir.
I think this is Here it is. We're gonna get it right there. That was good. Right, Pikachu? It was good.
Good? All right.
The
Pops?
noodles
Yours
were
is good?
Dude, hey, perfect.
All right.
Delicioso.
What do you think about the noodles, buddy?
the noodles are warm. The sauce on it is yummy. The cheese is perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna get some more of that, aren't you? Oh yeah.
It's eggplant out of this world.
Oh wow. So far, everybody seems pretty happy. Oh my nachos look pretty good actually. Try this thing. That'd be good.
No, it tasted like back in Italy.
Really?
Yep.
So, would you recommend it? Is it good?
Good nachos. Oh yeah. Ordered the Italian nachos. They're pretty good.
And your tea? Sounds like it looks good.
Oh yeah. Very refreshing. Thank you, sir. So far so good. Yes, please. Thank you. I give it a thumbs up.
This thing is so good, I just want to eat more.
Oh man, look at that. Ethan's still hungry. That must be really good. Taking it to school, man. Not bad for what, pre-Father's Day, right? Pre-Father's Day meal. Not bad.
That's right.
So, definitely a pretty good place to try. Johhny Carinos, I say give it a try. It's good. We've all liked it, I guess. That you like it, right?
I
Son?
like it so much. I burped off camera.
Wow, that's pretty good. Well, give this place a try, and y'all have
I
a good one.
recommend it.
Recommend it?
This is over the line. This is 12. I give
Wow,
it 12.
more than 10? Oh, wow. What do you think about that? Yeah, Pikachu? All right. So Ethan just gave it an over 10 rating, which is a 12, which I never heard of, but it sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good, right?
Might be good.
Well, got everybody out there have a happy Father's Day. Everybody happy Father's Day? Deal? All right. Y'all be good. Be safe. Enjoy.